Let's start recording now. And recording is in progress. Welcome to another episode of the... You see, I forgot even what I was going to say. People, you know, I'm struggling today. I woke up a while ago, but then I'm not fully awake. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start. So imagine, because I don't do redos and stuff, I'm not going to cut this. So I'm going to have a bit of coffee.
We could do a ventriloquist act while you're drinking your coffee.
Well, and then I was about to introduce this lady next to me, but one second, because I didn't like how that started. One second. Okay, this can happen to anyone, by the way, not just me. And it just happened to me. So welcome to another episode of the Speak to Sell Yourself and Your Business show. Next Thursday, we're going to have the star, the one and only, and I'm pointing this way. Hopefully you can see her, or maybe you can see her this way, but you know, is it there? Is it there? Yeah. Or there? Okay. Yeah. The one and only Liz Hamlet. And let me tell you a little bit about Liz briefly. We met during lockdown online. We launched what I consider a very successful podcast called the Lockdown and Then What podcast. Yeah. Thank you very much, Liz, for helping me out in there. And then after that, we spent a couple of years without meeting. Well, we never met actually in person until my birthday, which was last November when I turned 32. We're not going to talk about my age. What we're going to do is introduce, we're going to introduce Liz's topic, because she's going to be covering something incredible that is going to be super helpful to the community. Let's just enjoy this. Liz, what are you going to be talking about? Also give us a bit of an intro about yourself. And then what the audience is going to be taking away, then we wrap it up, and then we get people to sign up for the next episode of the Speak to Sell show. Wow,
brilliant. Well, have you here. Thanks. It's great to be back together again, Jose, with more coffee maybe today.
Yeah, please.
So for those of you that don't know me, I'm Liz Hamlet. I'm a coach, speaker and a strategist, and a podcast host as well, as Jose has said. I also host my own show called How to Spark Success, where we get to steal some success secrets of global leaders. So that's a great free resource for you to listen in and get some amazing free advice. And I'm founder of Spark Succeed, which is a coaching and consulting business. And I help leaders and business owners to lead better, to leverage their success, and to spark possibility, motivation, and momentum. And I speak at events all around the world on success, entrepreneurship, leadership, mindset, and finding your true calling. So what I'll be speaking about next Thursday at the Speak to Sell Yourself and Your Business show is 5 ways being purposely visible will help you get more speaking work. So who is this for? So if you are an aspiring speaker and you want to get a bit more visible, a bit more confident, or perhaps you're a business owner and you want to stop being so modest and you want to purposely become more of your own cheerleader to really elevate your business and get more speaking opportunities in 2022, then this is the one for you. So I'll be covering 5 different areas, 5 different ways to get purposely visible. So the first area is going to be the secret to having a plan. So really about getting purposeful, finding out what your North Star is. What's your aim? What's that sort of big goal that you're aiming towards? What do your objectives look like? And what do you need to do to break down to actually take you there? Then number 2, one of the biggies, which is mindset. And I know this is an area that a lot of us struggle with from time to time.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I know, you know, that crisis of confidence, the imposter syndrome. So, you know, what's the importance of having that growth mindset? Thinking about the 80% rule, I will tell you a bit more about what that is and why that's so important. How you can really learn to change your mindset forever and really embrace your superpowers, your individual superpowers. We are all individual. Jose has no doubt about his superpowers.
Definitely not my arms, not yet anyway.
Not the arm strength. Next area is all around, and I know this community is fantastic for its sparking connection. So really how you build those lasting connections with your audience, talking about storytelling, about peeling off those layers, you know, why vulnerability is your superpower as a speaker. Next area, stop being so modest. I talk a lot about being your own cheerleader. So, with your pom-poms and, jumping up and down, and not necessarily relying on that external validation, how you can get that for yourself. Boosting your own confidence, making sure you're seeking feedback, celebrating your wins, and actually actively leaning into the fear that we will fear and feel when we are speaking. All of us get that sort of flutters just before you're about to speak, even if you're a seasoned pro, and actually harnessing that can be something that's really positive. And then finally, getting in front of the camera. Now, while Jose doesn't have a problem with this, he does it regularly, but that's because it's been a sort of muscle memory, the practice. He does this a lot. We get in front of the camera a lot for our jobs, and it just becomes more comfortable. And learning techniques to get in front of the camera. I know Herman from Bros in Marketing talks a lot about techniques to improve your confidence in front of the camera. So really, my question to you is, are you ready to get purposely visible? If you are, then join us on the Speak to Sell Yourself show next Thursday, and I will be giving you more of those tips.
Okay, well, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and drop the mic.
I'll just walk out the room now.
Wow. Well, people, I don't need to say anything else. Just sign up. I mean, Liz, that is a session potentially. If you started diving deeper, that is a weekend. So that is loads of content. Wow, this is what I love about this community. And thank you so much for giving us your time, your knowledge. And also, Liz, so imagine people are watching this video right now and they want to get in touch with you. Where do they quickly go before they come and attend the show so they can ask you questions and get you live?
Yes. So if you love LinkedIn, you can find me on LinkedIn. If you search Liz Hamlet, I'll be there as Liz Hamlet, the Success Spark, with a nice bright yellow background. Come and connect or follow. If you're on Instagram, I'm at spark.succeed, and you can follow for lots of tips and videos and reels and sort of business tips, confidence, mindset tips from me. And we will be running a longer, if you find that it's an interesting subject, we will be running a longer program starting at the end of April that will be looking all around sort of deep diving into purposely visible. So if you're interested, follow me, think of some great questions. I'm here for you to answer your questions, and really looking forward to meeting the community and joining you on the show.
What a session, people. Are you ready for this? Just sign up, connect with Liz, and I'll see you next Thursday, 10 a.m. UK time. If you cannot make it for whatever reason, if you want to make up some excuses, it's okay, because we'll be sending you the recording so you get to watch it, or you'll get to watch it. Either way, speak your greatness. See you all very soon. Thank you so much, Liz. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye.